Hello everyone, today we're making a cheesy and delicious spinach artichoke dip. Start by grating 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. Next, grate 1½ cups of mozzarella cheese, setting half a cup aside for the topping. In a large bowl, add 8 ounces room temperature cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Then mix. Once mixed, add your 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Mix until well combined. Next, roughly chop your artichoke hearts. We use 2 7-ounce jars of marinated artichoke hearts. Then add to your mixture. Next, add your spinach. We used 8 ounces of frozen spinach. Just make sure to thaw and remove excess liquid. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a pinch of salt and pepper, then give it a mix. Add your mixture to a lightly oiled baking dish. Now add the 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese that you set aside earlier. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. We also broiled ours for an additional 5 minutes. There you have it, spinach artichoke dip. Delicious, cheesy, and very easy to make. We hope you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!